What immigrant communities should know about their rights? All immigrants in the U.S., regardless of their immigration status, have certain rights when interacting with federal immigration agents. It's essential to know these rights to protect yourself and your loved ones if you ever encounter immigration enforcement. 1. The right to remain silent. One of the most important rights you have is the right to remain silent. 1. You do not have to answer any questions about your immigration status, your place of birth, or your citizenship. 1. Politely tell the agents that you are exercising your right to remain silent. 1. If you're detained, it's also your right to ask for a lawyer. 2. The right to refuse a warrantless search. Federal immigration agents must have a valid warrant to enter your home or business. 2. If they do not have a warrant signed by a judge, you have the right to refuse entry. 2. You can ask to see the warrant before allowing them inside. 2. If they have a warrant, make sure to read it carefully to understand what they are authorized to search. 3. The right to an attorney. If you are detained or arrested, you have the right to contact an attorney. 3. Even if you cannot afford one, you have the right to a public defender. 3. Immigration proceedings can be complicated, and having legal representation is crucial to understanding and defending your rights. 4. The right to know the reason for detention. If federal agents stop you or detain you, they must tell you why they are doing so. 4. You are entitled to know the reason for the detention and the charges, if any, that are being made against you. 5. The right to an interpreter. If you do not speak English fluently, you have the right to an interpreter during any legal proceedings or when interacting with immigration agents. 5. This ensures that you fully understand the process and your rights. 6. The right to contact family members. If you are detained, you have the right to call your family members. 6. Make sure they know where you are and how they can help or contact an attorney. 6. It is also a good idea to have emergency contacts listed in a safe place. 7. The right to protection from racial profiling. Federal immigration agents cannot stop, question, or detain you solely based on your race, ethnicity, or appearance. 7. If you feel that you are being targeted unfairly, you have the right to file a complaint. 8. The right to access to legal resources. In detention, you have the right to access legal resources. 8. You can reach out to an immigration attorney or organization for advice and help, especially if you are in danger of being deported. 9. Know your local laws. Some cities and states have sanctuary policies that limit cooperation between local law enforcement and federal immigration agents. 9. Knowing your local laws can help you understand what rights and protections you have based on where you live. What to do if you encounter immigration agents. Stay calm. If you are approached by immigration agents, try to stay calm and be respectful. Ask if you are free to leave. If the agents are questioning you without detaining you, ask if you are free to leave. If you are not under arrest, you have the right to walk away. Do not sign anything. Never sign any documents you do not fully understand or that could hurt your case. You have the right to speak with an attorney before signing anything. Document the encounter. If possible, try to record the interaction, either through a phone or by writing down the details later. This can serve as important evidence if your rights are violated. Final note: it's important for all immigrants to know their rights and how to protect them. Even in the face of federal immigration actions, you have legal protections. Remember, you don't have to face this alone. Seeking legal counsel and support from advocacy groups can help ensure your rights are upheld.